Welcome back to this video tutorial. We can discuss about the concept null pointer in this video. A null pointer is a pointer which points nothing. A pointer type variable, if it points nothing, we can say it is a null pointer. And some uses of the null pointers are to initialize a pointer variable when that pointer's variable isn't assigned any valid memory address yet. In order to initialize a pointer variable, we can use this null pointer concept. Okay, and also to pass a null pointer to a function argument when we don't want to pass any valid memory address. In order to pass a pointer with no valid memory address assigned to it, in that case we can use the concept null pointer. Okay, in order to pass a pointer as a function argument, and for that particular point we don't want to pass any valid memory address, in that case we can use the concept null pointer. That means we can initialize the pointer with value null and then we can pass the pointer as an argument to function. And also this null pointer can be used for error handling purposes. That like we can check whether the value of the pointer is null or not. If it is null, we can conclude something. If it is not null, we can conclude some other thing. Okay, so null pointers are mainly used for initializing variable with value null. Okay, so here it is a pointer, integer type pointer variable p is initialized with value null. Null means nothing. Okay, so while printing the value of this null pointer, what will it display? It display the value 0. Okay, so from this we can it is clear that this pointer p is initialized with null value, that is nothing. So while printing, it display the value like 0. And we can also say if a pointer is initialized, if a pointer is declared here and we don't have any value for that particular variable, pointer type variable to initialize, we can initialize with value 0. Okay, or we can point that pointer to the value 0. Okay, thank you.